Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making shrimp fajitas. You will need 1 pound of shrimp, 1/4 of a white onion, 1 red bell pepper, 1 yellow bell pepper, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of fresh lime juice, 4 tablespoons of olive oil, 1/2 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon of red chili flakes, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. Add the lime juice, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and the minced garlic to your shrimp. Now season with the salt, pepper, cumin, chili powder, red chili flakes, and smoked paprika. Mix until your shrimp is well coated, then set them aside. Preheat your frying pan, then fry your shrimp for 2 minutes on each side. After 4 minutes, remove the shrimp from the pan and set them aside. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil and using medium heat, bring your pan to temperature. Now saute your bell peppers and onions for 8 minutes. Remove your veggies from the frying pan, then transfer to your fajita plate along with your shrimp, and now it is ready to serve. This is a quick and easy weeknight meal that everyone will love. I really hope you give it a try. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
To grasp how to make great food with steps made for you.